The rainforests shown in green on the map are wet, evergreen forests that circle the equator in South and Central America, Africa, Asia, and many Pacific islands. It has a warm, humid climate with lots of rain. Tropical rainforests can be divided into 4 layers or levels, from the forest floor to the emerging trees. 1/4 of the world's medicine comes from tropical rainforests, and the river's flow is so powerful it can produce energy. The rainforest is home to 240 million people and half of all existing plants and animal species. We will be exploring these more in depth during this lesson. Again, rainforests contain 50% of our plants and animal species that are used for science, medicine, agriculture, and more. Nuts, chocolates, bananas, pineapples, mangoes, cucumbers, bamboos for flooring, stuff to make ropes, eucalyptus, and even baby oil are found in the rainforest. This leads to deforestation, or the removal of trees in parts of the rainforest for consumer goods. It was recorded in the 1800s that there was 7.1 billion acres of rainforest land, and in 2009 there was only 3.5 billion acres remaining. The loss of our rainforest will lead to plants and wildlife becoming threatened, endangered, or extinct. There are thousands put on this list each year, and once something becomes extinct, it is gone forever. And species endangerment can lead to big problems on Earth. Albert Einstein said if the bees disappear from the surface of the Earth, man would have no more than 4 years to live. Think about that. But we can all do our part to maintain the rainforest and its inhabitants as much as possible. Just focus on the trees. Let's get ready for our trip to the tropical rainforest. What should we bring to wear? Should we bring an umbrella? What plant or animal are you looking forward to seeing? Let's dive into our lesson on the tropical rainforest.
Created using Powtoon.